Hey guys, this is a demo of the RAG LLM workflow. So we have a sample patient document here where there is a bunch of information on this patient named Jonathan Reynolds, and we are able to access this information through this LLM and through RAG, or through retrieval augmented generation. And so all we would have to do to start is prompt the chat. So what is my name? And this is in the view of the patient. So this is pretend the patient is asking this information, okay? And it should come back as, my name is Jonathan Reynolds. There we go. Okay, let's ask a little bit more difficult question. What is my medical history? As you can see here, it's queuing this agent, which is going to access the tool in the vector database and kind of pull the information from the vector database. So it's going to pull the chronic conditions, family history, lifestyle factors, allergies, and medications, because we did ask for the medical history. And let's see if hypertension is listed on chronic conditions. Yes, and that second one is as well. Let's ask a little bit more difficult question. What is my treatment plan? What are the medications I am supposed to be taking? And if the agent is correct, it should come back with the information about the medication and prescription executed successfully. So let's see, the treatment plan includes the following: the medications as listed on the document here, as you can see, these 4 medications, the monitoring, lifestyle modifications, referrals, patient education, and the follow-up plan. And this is excellent because this is all the information that the patient needs in order to survive outside of the hospital. And if you would like a custom tailored workflow just like this one, feel free to reach out and book a free consultation and we will build one out for you. Hey everyone, it's Keshav from Syntrex AI here, and today we'll be going over the RAG LLM workflow over here. This workflow pretty much demonstrates how we integrate document processing, vector storage, and AI-driven interactions to create a seamless experience for retrieving accurate and contextually relevant information. So the first step we would go over is triggering the workflow. So pretty much starting with a file creation or a file update. So as soon as a file is updated to the drive or created to a local Google Drive, it will set a file ID, and the workflow manually sets this file ID for proper referencing for downstream processes, and then it deletes old files or outdated files from the system to maintain a clear and efficient database. And once that happens, we will go to download the file, and this will be the new or updated created file for processing. So step 3 would be extracting the file, and once the downloaded file is parsed to extract its textual content, it helps it organize it into the vector database more easily. And that takes us to step 4, in which we are going over embedding and vectorization. So the extracted text is analyzed using embeddings by OpenAI, and these embeddings pretty much transform the text into a format suitable for storage in the SUPA-based vector store. And then a recursive text splitter will pretty much handle large files by dividing them up into manageable chunks for efficient processing. So for example, if a document is very long in length, it will split up these pages into paragraphs or even sentences and load them into the vector database. And once that happens, we will leverage the AI side. This is when we cover RAG, or retrieval augmented generation, in action. So pretty much this workflow bridges together the retrieval of the documents and an LLM. So by embedding your files and integrating them into a vector database here, this is the same vector database, of course, that's over here, and it ensures the retrieval of precise and accurate data, and it provides insightful responses to tailored queries.